gladiators' neighborhood where they would live, and the Colosseum is right there. It's pretty cool. You can see all the little mini houses like that would have been here. Still standing somewhat, made out of brick, and wow. Here's this, the Colosseum, and our little street here, and there's our doors to our Airbnb. There's the restaurante right there. And a pharmacia. Pharmacy. And Cece.
Hi. Another beautiful day in Rome.
It's cooler today so far.
Hallelujah.
It doesn't seem quite as crowded today.
And it's not as humid at all.
Not as hot or humid. Beautiful weather. We just took some pretty pictures in front of the Colosseum. And we're going to the grocery store to get some more water. Look at all their eggs in Europe are just on the shelves, not refrigerated. It's so weird. I guess they don't wash the outer shell like we do in America, so then it makes it so that they don't have to be refrigerated. We found a gluten-free, dairy-free ice cream sandwich bars, a box of them. Oh my word, I have been searching high and low for about 10 years for this. This is like my favorite dessert, and I haven't been able to find one up until now here in Italy, so I'm so excited to try it. Wow. Yeah, it's not quite the same as a real ice cream sandwich bar, of course, like any substitute item is, but oh, it's very good. We just got back from the grocery store. We needed some more water. And of course we came back with a lot of goodies and treats. They just have fun things to look at and try. So we bought some of these, a box of this, and some other ice cream caramel
ice cream bars with chocolate on them.
That looks really good. So we're just sitting here gonna watch a movie with our feet propped up, and we have all of our goodies, multiple ice cream things, and then we got these chips. They're kettle chips, sea salt and balsamic vinegar. They taste pretty much like salt and vinegar chips to us, is what we think. We can't really taste a lot of balsamic, but it's a fun thing to try. And we're just relaxing. It's our last full day before we leave for Paris tomorrow on the plane. Yum. Well, it's about dinner time. Can you guess where we're walking to? Where we're going? I bet you can.
More Italian food.
Look at the twinkly lights. We could almost sit out here tonight, but I don't know if we want to. Yep, you guessed it. Mama eat.
Hi.
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 Two.
Mom, what's that behind? Mom, what's that behind? Mommy, what's that behind?
Our last authentic bruschetta in Italy.
Yes, and I tell you, Italy is worth coming to, if not just for the food.
Yes.
It is the most amazing food we've ever had. It's delicious. Delicioso.
Mom, is it something in my hand?
Really gonna miss this bruschetta. Oh my word. There's no words to describe. Incredible.
We got 2 delicious pastas again tonight to share. We got the rigatoni. It has bacon and homemade tomato sauce.
Look at that pasta.
It's amazing. And he gave us a bag of this rigatoni. He said it's the best gluten-free pasta in Rome. He gave us a bag to take home. It's so sweet. I've been dreaming of this since the last time I had it.
This is the ziti, I think. It's still the penne pasta, but it has rigatoni. It's still the rigatoni pasta, but it has all these vegetables in it. We put our own dairy-free cheese on both of them. And it's in kind of an olive oil sauce that they made for us to be dairy-free. Taste test. I don't need to taste it to know it's going to be out of this world.
Need to go.
Here's our friend Fabrizio.
He's singing to make our night special.
Yeah, he's gonna serenade our last dinner here.
Memory of the Lord in the moonlight. I can dream of the old days. Life was beautiful there. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Look, a new day has begun.
Oh, that was so good.
Thank you.
Oh, grazie.
Prego.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Beautiful. Oh, grazie. Sorry.
We said that the other day.
Yes, I'm trying.
It's something special for you. Prego.
Wonderful.
Anche una canzone.
Già fatto.
Sì, la canzone.
Thank you.
You have a beautiful voice.
Yes,
Thank you.
she
You know,
sings too. She sings for a living.
I want to hear before you go.
To think of a song.
Think about it and then I want to hear.
Thank you.
You know, next month, no, in 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks, I'm going to England to study performing arts.
Where?
England.
England.
We just came from there before here.
Yeah.
Where you been?
London.
And from here we go to Paris
Yeah.
next.
Pizza. Bon appetit. Mamma mia.
No, Mama eats. Look at all our food.
Delicioso.
2 pastas. We had bruschetta, 2 different pastas, a pizza, and then we ordered a pizza to go for the plane tomorrow. We're so sad to leave this restaurant behind us.
When you feel like you're in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming.
That's
amore.
amore.
This is love.
Love on a plate.
Sweet fragrant meadows of dawn and dew. There was love all around, but I never heard it ringing. No, I never heard it till there was you. Our last look at Mama Eats, the twinkling lights. Until next time, Mama Eats.
Yes, for credit card
We love
inside,
you.
please.
Become family. We came to see the Trevi Fountain one last time, all lit up at night, and look, it's all emptied of the water. No fountain going. Very
They
interesting.
polish it every week. It'll open up again on Friday.
Yeah, today's Tuesday, and they said that it'll be closed until Friday because they're polishing it. So, very interesting, and we're so glad that we came when we did to see it all.
Look at all the coins in the bottom.
Yeah, with all the water going, and it still looks beautiful, all lit up at night. all the coins shining still on the bottom. Still looks beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. Goodbye, Trevi Fountain. We
Goodbye,
love you.
Italy.
You're so beautiful. It's our last night. So beautiful.
What a wonderful, wonderful
Just
time.
magical is the only word to explain, and it doesn't even explain it.
Yes.
Got some orange Italian ice.
And some pineapple sorbet.
This
or gelato,
is
dairy-free
delicious.
gelato.
Oh,
I want to try that. Oh, that almost tastes like baby aspirin.
this is incredible to die
Very
for.
good. This tastes like orange baby aspirin. It's not very good. Salud.
When in Rome. Here's the Capitol monument. It's
Circa 700 le persone sfollate tra i comuni di Calci
Can't
e
even
di
explain how
si
tall
parla
it
di scenario
is.
apocalittico. Nel frattempo, per agevolare il traffico dei mezzi antincendio,
hard to
Toscana
see, it's so
Aeroporto
dark.
annuncia la chiusura del traffico
The
aereo commerciale
Italian
dello
flag
scalo
waving
Galileo
out
Galilei
front.
di Pisa.
Dall'estero.
Hearty breakfast for travelers. Ice cream for breakfast.
champions.
We already ate our pasta, though, so don't worry. We got some normal food in us. Pasta for breakfast.
It's like 7:38 in the morning here. We have to be out the door at 9:30. We got all packed, ready to leave for Paris. Have our Paris shirt. I have mine on. She hasn't put hers on
I
yet.
have my new Colosseum one, Roma. I'm gonna put it on before we go to the airport, my Paris shirt.
But we have all this leftover food, so we thought we'll have that for breakfast. Yum.
We're up on our rooftop one more time. And look at it, looks just like in the movies.
The laundry,
The laundry on the line,
the terraces.
the Colosseum.
We're just surrounded by, on the outskirts, by gorgeous, lush trees, greenery. Beautiful. These are still getting crowded.
Look at these beautiful green trees. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Colosseum. And there's the Gladiators neighborhood, as they called it. It's kind of cool to see it from the top here. We get a good view. It's so cool. Ooh, it's super bright in this, with the sun in our eyes. But here's the Piece de la Resistance, the Colosseum. Doesn't get much better than that.
Magnifico. Looks like a
so bright.
postcard. It doesn't even look real.
I'm wearing my Coliseo shirt, Roma, Italia, with the Coliseo or Colosseum in front of the Colosseum. Very appropriate, I think.
What a gorgeous place to stay. And you're not too bad yourself either, Lulu.
Why, thank you.
Oh boy, we are so blessed.
We're gonna miss Rome.
Yes,
It's been a truly magical place.
it has.
Another tourist
A
down.
tourist down.
Well, we're saying goodbye to the Colosseum and to Rome today.
Yes, it's so sad to say goodbye to Rome. Magnificent experience, and to experience it together.
It's very special.
But take me to Paris.
It's time to go to Paris.
Woohoo! Bonjour, Patty.
Here we come. Watch out, Paris. Here we